Hello. So, this is the Compsognathus we did last time. I've had to move the camera back because this is the first piece of the Tapejara skull. It is... He could eat the Compsognathus skull. There is a massive box. It's full of pieces. The first piece you actually need is that. Well, this goes somewhere like there, and then watch this back of the case. Let's get this first piece off. Considering everything is much larger. Nice. That's the first piece. Pour in. We have this piece. This looks like it will connect to the bottom part of the top jaw. Ugh. Ooh, fossil building. It's kind of coming. This piece, bottom. Tree support's not liking me. Kind of coming off in chunks, which is fine as long as it comes off. All that matters. So let's try and figure out where this goes then. So this is like that. Makes sense. And then this piece is like that. Ah. Just kind of glues like that maybe. These ones. Much nicer. It's raring to come off. Kind of messed up on that. Supports didn't quite get it, but that's fine. I can sand that down. I'll just cut it off with. So that just goes in there. And like that. Does it sit a little better in there? Clearly wants to go a bit further in. Maybe even I just cut the top of it off. That's better. A little better. Actually quite a bit better. Okay, that is ready to super glue. Oh, that's way too much super glue. Well. It is even as possible. Okay, and I don't think we'll leave that to dry for attempting next piece, or we'll move on to the next piece while that is drying. And the next piece is the top half, the bill, I guess it would be. What is that? And this, I believe, and then also this. So hopefully these supports should just Do that. Get in the spilt super glue, why not? So, glue this one and then get more glue. This piece. It goes that way. That. And again, that way. Deep enough. Okay, I believe that should fit now, because it wasn't that far off. All the way down. So. Can we use the spilt super glue? It works, I guess. How these pieces connect. I don't know if it'd be better to put the side pieces on first. So let's put the cap back on the super glue before I forget. Let's take the supports off of it. Just to check. If it would be better to put the two side pieces on and then glue that front piece. So this goes connect to the top piece. Oh yeah, 100% does. That ain't where that goes. I'd be very surprised. So will that help with this, is my question. Yes, because it locks it in. Okay. So I'll get the other one and then we'll prep these two. Ready to go in. There we go. It's both side pieces ready. Okay, let's see if this all fits, or if I've made it significantly worse, you never know. Ooh, that's not good. Super glue hasn't fully dried. That older super glue definitely. Definitely not drying as fast as the new bit. Anything else I can do while the super glue dries? Yes, there is. There is the bottom part of the skull. So we're kind of doing this all guinea pig drinking. All out of order, but should all come together in the end, methinks. That is the bottom part of the bill. Goes that way. And then we need these two suspiciously penis-shaped 3D prints, which are the bottom part of the jaw. Go here. Back. Connect to the lower, the upper jaw. And again, all these holes just feel slightly too long, slightly too big. So I'm gonna have to do some more sanding. Oh no, it requires to connect to the... to this piece, actually. So if I just get this piece, then it should be fine. Again, just not too big, slightly too big. It's definitely better on that side at least. Kind of like that. Except this piece goes like that, so kinda has to angle. That's gonna be 3 pieces, hopefully. What if I glue all of them? There's enough pressure between all 3 points to hold it together. Okay. Line up and play nice and be relatively straight. No! Damn it. Oh, now I got super glue all over my fingies. I think we just glue it and hope for the best. As Palpatine said, glue it. We'll get this on there. As long as the pieces line up, it should be fine. Don't have to fully in. Shouldn't mess it up. At least I don't think. This piece also fit quite nicely. Yeah, so we'll glue that piece as well. And I'm realizing that this actually goes in between. And still attach this, because it now at least has something to hold it in. And make sure it goes in the slot. So let's see just how long that skull is. He's a big boy. He's a big flying lizard. So the next step is actually attaching this piece, which is going to be interesting to say the least. So, especially getting it in shot. But this peg is definitely way too big. It needs to come, see the gap there. It needs to come way further back. Still? Any better? It's quite a bit better. This piece I'm concerned about, but I guess that's potentially why this wouldn't fit, because it wants to be slightly tilted down. I could just glue it and see. But I don't think you'll see that. Concern is the super glue holding it or not. Well, it's certainly going to be a pain in the ass to hold. That is I think, fairly obvious. He's not bigger than my hand. Very large. He's large and in charge. That's the bottom jaw. Now, will this contain it? Is my next question. It will. Okay. And we'll super glue it in a static easing way, I think. And then that piece there. Doesn't need. These are the two plates at the base. One of them had a big old separation, so I'm gonna have to super glue that in. So I didn't print the Tapejara nameplate, and it seems to be actually a piece that locks the front together, but I should be able to just do it with just these two. And then what orientation do the pegs go in? So this goes like that? Question mark. And then this goes like that. Grab our skull. Just to make sure that it does go. Looks like it does. So, let's attach these two pieces and then attach the two final pieces and then see how we've done. Probably the easiest join of them all. If we grab this guy, and that piece apparently goes towards the outside, and this goes towards the back of the head, so this should be stick. Isn't right with the printer. Everything doesn't seem to line up at all. But it is fine. And then the last piece is back, crest, let's glue him mouth open. Try and get the glue in all of the recesses.